Hi everyone. Today I received my new Smith Wesson handcuffs with an extra long chain. So I just wanted to open it on a video and see what it looks like. This is first time in my life that I ever am gonna try these kind of handcuffs on. So it should give me sort of more space between my hands. These handcuffs are probably going to be more ideal for work as well, working with the handcuffs physically. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. So, not sure. Like, I ordered this from USA, but it's just like a local courier delivered it to me, so I'm not sure if in their depot or something they have kind of remade the label for the local delivery service, because usually when things come from USA it's like UPS or something delivers it, or Royal Mail. But anyway, okay, I can see the box with handcuffs. There's an invoice, which I'm not gonna show. Because yes, there's my address. Total $44.52. Shipping $8.11. Tax $6.36. And subtotal, so for the item itself, it was $30.05. So here is the box, typical Smith & Wesson box. It's always exciting getting this kind of Smith & Wesson box, you know, because I know there's fun stuff inside, made in the USA. The box is taped. There's keys right here. I think it comes with 2 keys. Oh, 2 keys, that's all I can see so far. That's probably it though. Okay, for the handcuffs themselves. And there's paper there, some kind of leaflet. It's about warranty and other things. Smith & Wesson, nice logo. Anyway, that's it for the box. And then the handcuffs themselves, nice. I really love the extra long chain. It's 2 chain links longer than the regular ones, because the regular ones have 2 chain links. These have 4 chain links. So that should actually be extra more comfortable for long-term wear, and even more maneuverability with my hands for when I want to do some work with them on. You know, maybe even for my fulfillment of my orders for my Etsy shop. Maybe I can wear these on sometimes, you know, when packing the envelopes. Okay, so they were not double locked. Oh, but yeah, all the new handcuffs are kind of pretty hard to, you know, push through. Pretty hard to actually close. Yeah, because the ratchet still has a pretty big resistance, and the teeth are probably quite sharp still as well. Because on the old handcuffs, the teeth get worn out a little bit as well, which makes it actually go through like a butter. So I don't know what's better. I think the worn cuffs are better, because I mean, at least you can see they had some good use, you know, out of them. Well, it's gonna be exciting wearing these out, as it is with every pair of handcuffs. They got a little engraved serial number on here. Overall, they are very beautiful. Obviously, just typical Smith & Wesson handcuffs, typical design, just with a longer chain. I really love Smith & Wesson. It's my most favorite company when it comes to handcuffs. And yeah, really exciting to have this pair in my collection now. I'll just try it on quickly. There's the keys, and you can double lock it here by sliding the pin inside downwards, and it's double locked now. Yeah, definitely a bit more space for your hands, and these are ideal cuffs to wear for a very, very long time, even during the sleep. So these are pretty good cuffs to just stay in for 24 hours. These are probably good handcuffs for a little bit bigger people, you know, people who have a bit more body mass and bigger hands, to handcuff them behind the back, because it gives them a lot more space for their arms, you know, so their arms and their shoulders and everything, and they don't have such a pressure on them when they're cuffed, because it brings their hands a lot more further out rather than the two chain links. That would be like that, probably that much. Well, it gives them that much space. That one didn't double lock. I didn't do it properly. It's probably because it's new. It just all needs a little bit of wearing out. I was pushing it as much as I could. Let's see. Well, I can still see the pin slightly on this side. When I push it down, I can still see the pin slightly, but it doesn't go any further. I hope it's not a fault with the cuffs. This one is completely clear, the little window. I think, yeah, it does come loose, so let's hope that with wearing it out, you know, after a while, it's all gonna get better. Let's hope. Let's hope I'm not gonna have to write to the seller, which I would hate to do, because I mean, it's not their fault, it's the manufacturer, right? But yeah, this pin seems to have a little bit of a problem right there. Oh, I will try it on a couple more times. I'll try to play around with it and see if the pin loosens up. But anyway, Really excited about these, and expect more videos with these and other cuffs. So see you all next time. Where's my second key? I don't know. Anyway, see you all next time.